still got bye. Useless. Useless to my oh. Yeah. Dump. All right. We are alive, people. Don't you worry. I'm here. I know it's Labor Day. And you're all bummed out. That's the last day of a long weekend. But I'm here to make it a little better. Okay? So don't worry about it. Oh, I've been surprisingly working on the game a lot this weekend. I didn't plan on it. Just kind of happened. So I made some decent progress. I mean, I pretty much finished the restaurant cutscene. I did a lot of updates on the UI for cutscene speaking, including adding names. Why am I talking? Why don't I just show you? Let's go through a brand new one. And let's pause the music.
Let's start off with a nice formal intro.
You'll see now there is a fade in.
My main focus has been on the
I need to actually, that's what I'm going to work on today.
I'm trying to transport matter around the cosmos.
I added fade in and fade out
Or
when you're going between scenes, new levels, and stuff like that.
Yeah, a lot of people would agree.
But it's not loading at the right time. So you're still seeing like assets loading in.
They got their way, and I had to pack up and leave my life.
So I got to figure that out.
All right, with that bit of background out of the way, let's get started. Cue the sad music. I wonder what that sign said.
So let's kind of just go through this. I don't need to do everything.
What was I doing?
Nothing has changed here.
I guess I should talk to my boss before I leave.
I'll show you the new cutscene though. It looks like this.
Hey, Mr. Salverson. Mr. Salverson?
So you see,
hey, Craig.
We have a name now.
Oh, hey, Grain. Sorry, I didn't notice you were there. Look, so sorry about your project not working out. Don't worry, though. You're
so you see we have a little Salverson right there.
And
I also added a new field to allow you to define a character name that is different than the actual name of the... So like I have Genie Bailon here, but I also added a new field called character name. So in cutscenes and stuff, you'll see that name, which is good because you have multiple of the same character because they have like different outfits or, you know, different abilities, stuff like that. I also did some work on the images themselves. The cuts, like the actual cutscene character image, like of me. Before I had like one version of me and I was adding it to all the cutscenes. Now I just let it have multiples of me. Every cutscene has me in it, you know, if I'm the one talking.
I'm sorry, Grain.
And that way everything's more in alignment. You can see the dimensions just look a little bit more solid. Yeah, okay. Float on in there, I'm coming. And you see how I faded out to black and then it faded in and now I'm here. So that's like one example of the fade out kind of working. It doesn't work when there is a level with a bunch of shit to load. You'll see in this next cutscene. And you also see I see Mr. Salverson is his name here. because I defined
No,
it.
it was to stretch the boundaries of what people thought
I actually
possible,
need to
to
define
bring
that here.
technology to godlike heights.
Oh, yeah, that's what I
So
meant to say.
Salverson,
No one gets it, Grain, but you
Mr.
do.
Salverson,
You
Mr.
get it.
Salverson.
That's why I chose to bring you here.
There we go.
Why I gave
No,
you
it'll
the
be the
most
same.
funding, the biggest lab.
Right. Almost like twins, eh?
None of this matters. Not the
So,
money,
what
not
does
the
matter,
board,
sir?
and certainly not
Magic.
99% of the
Magic,
crap that's
sir?
developed
Like
and pushed out
wizard
of here.
magic?
Did you know that lightning was considered? No, the magic to which I'm referring. Everyone is afraid of what they cannot. I called you here to tell you to continue your research. You are to continue.
I'm sorry, did you say Scotland?
I.
I.
So you see how that happened? It went to black, and then it faded in, and I was still there, and then it went to the new level. So there's a different point in which I need to do the fade in, and they're separate. I have fade out and fade in functions. It's just, it's really hard to determine when I'm in the new level, like the new map has been defined. Because yeah, for some reason it's not just loading intuitively. Yeah, see, I have the fade in scene, fade out scene. And the fade out scene's fine. But the fade in, I added a 1 second timeout here. And that's just if you unload, which is fine. But for the, no. Oh, I guess they both have 1 second. That's fine. But for like the new level, even this 1 second to fade in is not enough. I need to change the fade in scene to be dependent on when the actual new level is loaded. I don't really have a good way of doing that other than, you know, go to the point right here in which I actually add the items. But, you know, technically I'm 300 milliseconds after that. That's what's weird. So it shouldn't still show the old level. And I wonder if I actually did put it in here though. Oh, what about this one? Add crewmates if there are any on the map. So this happens way after. Oh no, this is an interval. My bad. Yeah. Yeah, because technically, if I added it right here, this is when the shit gets added to the map. So it should fade in after the map loads. But this just loads it to the DOM. It doesn't actually determine when the images are done loading, which is what the background is, or determine when, you know, all the items are done loading. So I would have to know the background image and put a listener onto when, like do like an observer on the actual background image or something, which should be possible. I think it's actually an observer though. I don't remember. Yeah, because this is when it happens. This is the new map, and then I add the new map to the container. This engages the menus. That's just for click events and stuff. This is for the playable characters. Movable characters. Yes, it's for moving NPCs, loading missions, loading blah 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 blah. Yeah, so I put this after all that. I just wonder if this 700 millisecond timeout is. Oh, you know what? This is inside of the actual output. Okay. I think if I add it to here, this might be the right thing to do. Trigger fade in after new level loads. Yeah, maybe this is right. This might be right. This might be the right point to do the fade in. Now I think about it, because it's inside of the actual fetch, you know, the output of the fetch that gets all the stuff. But I had it in this timeout here that was agnostic to that. This is just like 1 second after. And I'm assuming that the called was after the fetch, but we know that, you know, the fetch is more like an async call that isn't in order. Like, this isn't happening after this. Okay. All right, let's try this. In fact, I will do this locally. I'll do this locally. Watch me. Let's go to, where was I going? Thyris. I mean, it looked good. Let's do the CEO office. Go to Thyris by natural means. But so far the fade in is looking pretty smooth, if I do say so myself. Oh shit. Why is this? Alright. Why aren't you? What? Hold on. What's happening? Am I not getting the cutscene's not loading now? Like what? Uh-oh. No, he's right there. Why aren't you talking to me?
You know why I started Foresight, Grain.
That's weird. It's like the trigger didn't
Take over the
load.
world? Oh,
I wonder if that's from
right.
the
No, almost
fade in?
none of
Twins, eh? So,
magic.
Mad.
I call you here to
I'm
continue
sorry,
magic.
continue
Why
to
we
double
are
your
referring is not the magic of fantasy.
Okay.
I
think that was it.
To be discovered. Scotland. So far in advance that if anyone from our time saw
Cool.
it, they would have to
Hello,
consider it
it's
magic.
Minegrescu. I'll be showing you to your station.
Alright, let's
and
go back to
getting you
production.
onboarded. Follow me.
I think that was the problem. I didn't have it inside of the fetch call that was grabbing all the map items. So it was happening, you know, just 1 second after you tried to go to a new level. But it was different than the actual load of the fetch. Let's push that up to production. And we'll continue. I want to show you the restaurant scene. The new cutscene area. It's cool. It's basically using the game mechanics to run a cutscene, not using like the normal cutscene text and stuff like that. And it shows a little bit of the abilities for you to do some dynamic, you know, theatrical interactions. So let me push this up and then we'll go over to there. Whoop. Perfectos. All right, so let's go to Thyris. See if we can get over there.
May I help you, sir? Hello, sir.
Hello.
I'm Dr. Grain Miller.
Also, using this image of me,
May I help you,
the
sir?
Z index is correct. Before I was
Yes,
behind
sorry,
everybody.
I'm
Which
pretty
looks
sure
stupid.
I'm in the right place. Mr. Salverson sent me here to continue some research.
Mr. Milford, I see here you are stationed in Section C.
I need to
Lab
make
3 of the
some
research grid. Here is your
cutscene
temp badge to get you through the end of the
headshots
week.
too.
A permanent
Because right now
badge
it's just
will be
using the
sent to
same
your
image
company-provided
as
condo
the
with
like
Delta sign.
default image.
Number 4. Here are your keys. Do not lose them. Here is your CNC. Do not.
Skip.
Thank you, sir. I
Skip.
hope you.
I am considering adding a skip button where it's, oh shit, what the hell? Uh-oh. Ah. That didn't work. This is supposed to be set to false. I wonder why that didn't happen. Huh. Hopefully that gets pushed up too. I don't know why that didn't work.
Hello, Mer Milford. Ahem.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Hello, Mer Milford.
Oh, hello.
It's der Negres.
Alright, I actually have
Can't
to.
help.
Oh. You'll see.
It's gonna get a little crazy for a second. Hold on.
Well, never a better time than now, I suppose.
This is where the skip button would come in handy. You don't have a bunch of overlapping talking.
If you hear an explosion and you will, there is no need to worry about shrapnel.
Good. Good. Thank you for that. Organizing my office. Still need to fix some of the sizes for this, but more than not, I'm speed running this. Ah, damn it. Whoa. Okay. Well, that's not good. I don't know why I got stuck like that. Uh-oh. I can't reach it anymore. That's not good. I have soft locked myself, unfortunately. That's gonna be a problem. Come on. Organizing my office. And last but not least, let's see if we can get this from the side. Alright, now we can go to the restaurant. And I will show you the new cutscene. Yes, I know where to go, dude. Thank you. Oh, I don't know why I'm clicking V. This is also weird to me. For some reason this... Oh, did I not center it? Is that why? Focus view. Iris map. I think I forgot to center the image. I did. There we go. Now it should be in the center. Much better. Let's actually see if that fixed it. There we go. Yeah, that was kind of pissing me off. Alright, let's go to the restaurant. Let's see how this cutscene works. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, So now when I go here, this is a cutscene area. Hands off. I mean, I can skip, but it's just purely exposition in a new level, and then you'll see what happens.
So, Dr. Negrescu, I want to know everything about this place.
You see the cutscene itself now is like centered under the
So feel
person
free to
talking,
unload on me.
Well,
and it
first
moves
things
to
first,
the other
Capcom
person as
one.
they talk as
If
well.
they your mentor of sorts, so for efficiency, let's use first names, okay.
Oh, good. I'm Gray.
Wonderful.
So you kind of get it.
It's nice to meet
And
you
the
for
name
Graeme.
is good
Now,
because when
yes,
they're all sitting
where
next
to
to each
start?
other, I mean, if you can't hear,
Welcome
like you
to
don't have a
the
headphone
Paris
on,
facility.
you can't hear the
Helpful
voice
to know
changes,
is that
then,
P3 stands for
you know,
Preeminent Prospective
it
Project.
it's good to have the
Well,
name there.
Salverson likes to say this. There are currently 15 I suppose now.
Wow, 65 years.
He was
And then
beaten
wait till
as
the
the
other scientists
successor of
come. You can see how
biomechanical
like
advancements a few years
more
ago.
shit can happen during a
Miropelia was
cutscene
built
now
to
when you're in an
asign
area.
1940 și
A 70-year-long project.
all P3. There is always one. The hope is that a string of success. So, Graeme, even though you
Here
were
we go.
charged with onboarding you wasn't given much
So now you'll see what
information
happens.
regarding the origin or even the subject of your research. Must be something that Salverson didn't feel like explaining himself. If you don't mind me prying a bit, could you explain your P3?
I just think it's rude.
It's no big deal. Oh, hey, Gin. John, what are you two
And you
doing
see it's
here?
more
Sorry for
theatrical, I
intruding.
could say.
Jeannie here kept bugging me about meeting the new successor.
Like more things are happening. People are
You wanted to
walking
know
mid
about
conversation,
him, though,
you know.
aged.
Didn't need to barge into a restaurant.
And like I can build this
Anyway, we're
using the
happy
same
to use a new
mechanics
successor.
as normal
Graeme,
cutscenes,
please meet Dr.
but
Jenny
define the
Gatsby
area
and
as a
John
cutscene
Fury.
area.
Doctors, please meet
And you
Dr.
see, even
Graeme
then, they
Lord.
go and they sit down.
Hello. A
So-
pleasure to meet you, Genevieve.
And that's
you
just
as well,
using the
John.
normal walking path
You
logic
can call me
with
Jenny.
time between
Genevieve až mi
changing a
príde.
certain amount.
The name is the least of your
So it takes a
problems
little
in that
bit
regard.
of, you know, finagling on timing and stuff
Here,
like that,
John.
but
No, you're not jetting any Omi hyper friction resistant polymer.
Oh,
these
come
accents
now,
are horrible.
Jeannie, you know I'm just teasing. You're the brightest flower in the field.
And
that's definitely not the same as John's voice.
Or take your flirting somewhere else.
Blötins
So, before
SMRS.
we were interrupted, he was asking about Graeme, se Mr. P3. Honestly, I'm extremely curious to know with grand research warranted an addition to the P3s after
This is
all
supposed to be
these years.
English.
Well, my
This is
research
how
is, in
it
layman's
thinks
terms,
UKs
wormhole
read English,
transportation.
apparently.
Neat.
In
Neat.
short, my goal is to
Um,
use man-made wormholes for
and then once they
transporting
finish,
people or any other matter safely
I
to
set
anywhere
them
instantly.
using the
basic of my
crew
wormhole creation
yes
technology
trigger.
involves a
So now
laser
these are
beam
all characters that I
specifically
can play
cut through our
as,
dimension in solid state.
since this is their
You are
introduction to the
referring
game.
to Dakariste or
Yeah, TA.
I didn't know wormhole studies.
Well, funny thing is,
And then it's the big reveal. He's a
brought in to
founder.
Continue their P3. Very cool.
Very cool.
Pro IT.
Prove it. And now you see it reloads me into the map. It does add a new thing to the map as well, even though the Unicodes are broken. So now, if the Unicodes fucking load, come on, dude. What the hell? It must be cached. The menu Unicodes refuse to load. There we go. So now we have this new menu item. Oh shit, where did Iona go? Ooh, I might not have set her as a crewmate? That's weird. So you can be her now. You see it switches me. You can be him. You can be John. And I can go back to being me. Pop, pop, pop. So what happened to Iona? She's also a crewmate. Oh, I have it as no. I must have turned that off because I wanted to test some stuff. Whoops. Well, I can actually go back. I didn't add a blockade yet, which I will do. But I can go through here.
So, Dr. Negrescu,
Now she'll
I
be
want to
part
know
of the
everything
crew.
about this place. I'll have no issues retaining every word, so feel free to unload on me.
I think that's
Well,
long
first
enough.
thing first.
A
Welcome to
70-year
Social
old
There she is.
My wormhole creation technology involves a laser
And now
to
she's the fast
specifically
one, so you can see how
compress
fast she
data
can
in
walk.
solid
Could you
state.
explain your P3?
Compared to... Wait, what? Oh, god damn it. Did I not set her yet? That wasn't actually that fast. Ability speed. I fixed this. She should be much faster. I guess that is faster, right? Wait. It should be noticeably faster. I guess it's faster. Ah, you need to be gone. So I need to do cutscene, dial on meetup, and remove after cutscene. Oh, no, I have to do it on the actual person. My bad. So it's Iona, normal Iona, and then remove after cutscene. Right here. Oh shit, it's right there. That's weird. It didn't work. Well, there's some logic I need to fix. Why are you here? You're supposed to be gone. No. Oh wait, is 3375 her? Oh. Oh, actually we have two. What is she? 3290? No, she's 3229. I mean 3299. So she's not on there. Interesting. Okay. Well, that's weird. Hey, Felipe Silva. Welcome from America. Okay. Well, let's... First off, is the fade in? Okay, that worked. Yeah, so she should be dead after the cutscene. So remove after cutscene comes from remove after cutscene. Should item remove on load. True. And this comes from the no points. So she didn't get added to the explore points. Array, unfortunately. I wonder why. Remove items. This is all based off of the previous cutscene era, right? which just gets said in the cutscene area. Let's double check that she has this. I think she does. I mean, she should. Yeah. So this is it right here. 3297. So this should be removed after that cutscene. Meaning something's wrong. Let's see if it tries to add her though. I'm gonna go back to that cutscene. Actually, let's use her so I can walk faster. And I think her speed's okay. It feels a little slow. I don't know why I felt like it was faster before, but I mean, it's pretty damn fast compared though. All right, actually, let's be him just so there's no confusion. Okay, so now let's go in.
So, Dr. Negrescu, I want to know everything
So
about
this is
place.
adding the 3 characters.
I
They
have no
already
issues
exist.
retaining
That's
every
fine.
word, so feel free to unload on me.
Well, first thing first, you can call me
So
I'll be your mentor
think-
of sorts, so for efficiency, let's use first names, okay?
window dot
Oh, hello, I'm Gray.
Wonderful. It's nice to meet you for
previous
my
cutscene area.
Graeme. Now,
Previous
let's see where to start.
cutscene area.
Welcome to the
Oh.
Terrace facility. Helpful to
No,
know
that's
is
right.
that
Bailon.
P3 stands for the Preeminent Prospective Project. Mer Salverson likes to say these are the most advanced projects the world has ever known.
So this gets all the
There
remove
are
after
currently
cutscenes
15 well, I suppose
passing
now
the
16 projects in
area.
active
Oh,
development.
you know what? It's probably
Think
because
it
it's using the
surprising that
cutscene
Mer
name and not
Salverson
the
decided
area
to add a
name.
new P3. It's been 65 years since a project was added at Terrace.
Wow, 65
Yeah,
years.
so this is the cutscene name.
He was brought in as the successor of biomechanical
See, that doesn't equal the
enhancement a
same
few
thing.
years ago.
Right.
was brought to us
Okay.
in 1944 by Professor Hubert Redulski in Poland to avoid its use by the Nazi regime. In the
Yeah,
direct
I
successor
guess
to
this
that,
logic will
A
not work
70-year-long
properly.
project.
I
all
need to get
P3s are
the
long-haul projects. In
area.
fact, no P3 has yet to complete their research. There is always one successor at a given time attributed
Oh wait,
to
no.
one of the
Yeah,
15
wait,
or
hold
16
on.
log
I think
traces.
I'm wrong.
When a project is brought here, it is assigned a
No, so
successor
yeah,
to
it's using the
carry out
cutscene
its
area, not the
development.
cutscene name.
The hope is that a string of successors will continue
Yeah,
the
so this
research
is not
until
gonna
it's
work.
finished. Even
I need to
more,
get the
Salverson
cutscene
is a
area
successor to
based
a long
off of the
line of
cutscene.
directors going back to the first P3.
No, I need to get the cutscene
So,
name based
Graeme,
off of the cutscene
even though
area.
he was charged with onboarding you,
Where-
he wasn't given much information regarding the origin or even the subject of your research. Must be something that Salverson didn't feel like explaining himself. If you don't mind me prying a bit, could you explain your P3?
So,
I just think it's
yeah,
rude.
looks like it's doing it
It's
twice.
no big
What?
deal. Oh, hey, Ginny. John, what are you two doing here?
Oh, this is when you enter a new area.
Sorry for intruding. Genie here kept bugging me
Right.
about meeting the new successor.
Я
does
wanted
that.
to know about him, though я aged.
Didn't need to barge
And this
into
is
a
just if I
restaurant, but
refresh the page.
Anyway,
Right.
we're here to grill the new successor.
Alright, either
Graeme,
way, so
please
this
meet Dr.
should not be
Genevieve
this.
Smith
This
and
needs to
John
get the
Fourier.
cutscene
Doctors,
name
please
based
meet
off of
the
this.
Graeme Milford.
And if I'm gonna
A pleasure to
do
meet you,
that,
Genevieve, and you
how
as
am I
well,
gonna do
John.
that?
You can call me Jenny. Genevieve аж мітерний.
I don't think
the name is the least of your problems in that regard.
Shoot year hob John. Now you're not jetting any all me hyper friction resistant polymer.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, come now, Genie, you know I'm just
No,
teasing.
see, that's the
You're
position.
the brightest flower in the field.
If it's an
Alright,
area
either join us and behave or take your
cutscene
flirting somewhere else.
area.
So, before we were interrupted, he was asking about
Where am I
Graeme,
setting the
Semister
window?
Honestly, I'm extremely curious to know with grand research warranted an addition to the P3S after all these years.
Well, my research is, in layman's terms, wormhole transportation.
I don't know.
Neat.
What the fuck?
In short, My goal is to use man-made wormholes for transporting people or any other matter safely to anywhere instantly. The basis of my
Okay.
wormhole creation technology involves a laser tuned specifically to cut through our dimension in solid state.
You are referring to dacă is theory of reality in solid state. You have a laser that can cut reality.
Yeah, that would be accurate.
I didn't know wormhole studies had advanced so far.
Okay.
Are yasakkidina.
Window
Well,
dot previous
funny thing
cutscene
is,
area.
I
Gets set
started this
right
research.
here. Engaging the cutscene
Found a
for
boarding
the
to continue
area.
that
So I
B frame.
must be able to get
Very
the cutscene for the area
Property.
though. Which means, yeah, how's that possible? So engage cutscene. Position is position. Whatever. It's going to be by lawn. So this is by lawn. How do I get the cuts? Oh. No, see, this is by lawn cutscene. So this is undefined. Right. So Bylon map cutscene is wrong. Because it's Bylon meetup map cutscene. Meaning that if statement will be false. Cutscene. No, that's for videos. Okay, so no. See, position shouldn't be Bylon then. It has to be the cutscene name. It must be. Because it is running. Right? These are both saying area cutscene. Yeah, whatever. So yeah. Why is it giving me Bylon for the... Oh, no. Because it's still working, so it should... Previous cutscene area. Yeah, I'm confused why it's giving me Bylon for the cutscene. If... the cutscene name is Bylon Meetup. But that's the previous cutscene area. That's Bylon.
So, Dr. Negrescu, I want to know everything about this
Map
place.
cutscene.
I'll have
Oh,
no
it is
issues
Bylon
retaining
map
every word,
cutscene.
so
I'm
feel free
tripping.
to unload on me.
Well, first thing first, you
Oh,
can
what the
call
fuck?
me Ioana. Il be your
I must do that
So for
automatically.
efficiency, let's use a first name.
Yeah, because I like set it as a cutscene area, so it takes
Oh,
it. Okay.
good. I'm great.
So I already thought about this.
Wonderful.
Which
It's
is
nice to meet you
fine.
formally, Graeme. Now, let's
But
see where to start.
if that's correct,
Welcome to the terrace
then why is
facility.
this not adding to
Helpful
remove
know is
items?
that P3 stands for the Preeminent Prospective Project. Mer Salverson likes to say these
Oh,
are
wait.
the most advanced
The
projects the
cutscene
world has
name
ever
is
known.
wrong.
There are a current
Shit.
15 well,
That's
now
correct.
16 projects
That
in
is
active
wrong.
development. In kite surprised that Mer Salverson decided to add a new P3. It's been 65 years
Okay.
since a project was added at Terrace.
Wow,
So now I
65
need to
years.
change that.
He was brought in as the successor
So
to
this, if it's a
biomechanical
cutscene
enhancement
area,
a few years
needs
ago.
to be the area
My
name.
P3 was brought to us in 1944 by Professor Hubert Redulski in Poland to avoid its use by the Nazi regime.
Just the area name.
In the third successor to Date.
A 70-year-long
Do I
project.
have that?
All P3 are long haul projects.
Is
In
cutscene
fact,
area?
no P3 has yet to complete their
No,
research.
because yes, remove after cutscene.
There is always one
I would need to get the
successor at a
actual
given time
cutscene
attributed to one
and
of the
check it.
15 16 nope trace. When a project is brought here, it is assigned a successor to carry out its development. The hope is that a string of successors will continue the research until it's finished.
So either I fix
Even
it in the
me,
drop
Saverson
down.
is a successor to a long line of directors
If I
going
fix
back
it
to
in the
first
drop
Petri.
down of selections for the cutscenes,
So, Graeme, even though you was charged
then,
with
you know, it
overview,
saves it
you wasn't
correctly.
given much
Or I
information
fix it
regarding the
afterwards
origin or
at this
even the
point,
subject of your research. Most
which I don't
recently
really
that
know
month,
what is
Salveson
better.
didn't feel like explaining himself. If you don't mind me prying a bit, could you explain your portray?
I just think it's rude.
It's no
I
big
just think
deal.
it's rude.
Oh, hey, Ginny. John, what are you two doing here?
Sorry for intruding. Jeannie here kept bugging me about meeting the new successor.
Yeah, it
Ya
might be
wanted to
easier to
know
fix in
about
the...
him,
Let's
though,
go to the
ya aged.
meta. See how hard it
Didn't
would be
need to
to
barge
fix it
into a
in the
restaurant,
drop down of selections.
Anyway, we're here to grill the new successor. Graeme, please meet Dr.
Where is it?
Genevieve Smith
Cutscene
and John Foley.
array.
Doctors, please meet Dr. Graeme Milford.
Cutscene array.
Hello. A pleasure to meet
So
you,
maybe I could do it in
Genevieve,
this
and you
util
as well, John.
Ya can call me
when I'm
Jenny.
doing this.
Genevieve аж mi terribly.
The name is the least of your problems in that regard.
Because
Should
if I can
here
check
work, John.
now,
Now you're not jetting any of me hyper-friction resistant polymer.
if the post type
Oh, come now,
is
Jeannie, you know I'm just teasing. You're the brightest
explore
flower in the field.
cutscene,
Alright, either join us and behave or take your flirting somewhere else.
then I can check
So,
if it's a
before
cutscene
we were
area.
interrupted, you was asking about Graeme, se Mr. Petrei. Honestly, I'm extremely curious to know with grand research oriented an addition to the P3S after all these years.
So if it's a
Well, my
cutscene,
research is, in
we
layman's
can,
terms, wormhole
um,
transportation.
cutscene area.
Nate. In short,
can check if
my
it's a
goal is to
cutscene
use
area.
man-made wormholes for transporting people or any other matter safely to anywhere instantly.
Explore
The basis of my
post.
wormhole
And they're
creation
gonna be.
technology involves a
I
laser
don't remember
tube
what it is.
specifically to
It's
cut through our dimension in solid state.
You are referring to
cutscene.
the Caris theory of reality in solid state. You have a laser that can cut reality.
Oh,
That's the next
yeah,
area.
TH. That would be accurate.
I didn't know wormhole studies had
Uh,
advanced so far. Was research are yasakki.
Next area.
Well, funny thing is,
Cutscene
I
next
started
area
this research.
position. How do I tell if this is a
A founder brought in to
cutscene
continue their
area?
P3. Very cool.
I guess I don't define it here. I define it in the area. This is annoying. So maybe I can't fix it here. Shit. I thought I'd check it. That this is a cutscene area, but this is just like the next area position. Oh no. Next area. No. Yeah, that's the area selection. Nope. Alright. We can't do it here. I'll have to do it after the fact. Right? Yeah, otherwise I'd have to do another query. Querying all the areas that have the post meta key area cutscene. Yeah, oh, where the fuck do I define it though? Man, I never remember anything I do. Let's go to the cutscene. Let's see if there's actually something I'm missing here. Bylon meetup. So I think I just defined something, right? Next area. Oh, right here. Area. Right? No, that's where it is. That's just defining where it goes. Yeah, see, I don't define that it's a cutscene area cutscene. I just define it to an area, and the area itself is defined as a cutscene area. Fucking me now. Not bad logic, but just kind of screwing what I'm trying to do here. Okay. Well, in that case, we have to not go down this route. We're going to have to fix it after the fact. So, remove after cutscene. I need to get the area linked to this cutscene. It's really annoying. Do I have anything to do that built in here? Well, I get the area that it's connected to, but I can't tell. I need to tell if that area. Okay, let's see. I have the location, right? Yeah. No, that's current location. I don't want current location. Yeah, no. I wouldn't have access to the location that's connected to it. This is kind of like a after the fact trigger. I really screwed myself, I think. Oh my god. I just need to like name it the same thing apparently. Which would solve everything, but I can't count on people doing that. So I need a way to query that. Basically, I need to do another get post here. And then do do a meta query. Where the meta key is explore cutscene, I think. Meta value is remove after cutscene. Compare equals. Okay. And then we'll take, now we need to get area cutscene equals get post meta areas explore. Is cutscene? Where is it? Area is cutscene. So now we do this. This is a lot. It'll work, but this is really this is stupid that I have to do this. So yes equals area cutscene. Then it's the post name. Otherwise, remove after cutscene. This should work. Really annoying, but this should work. And actually, I'm gonna have to check that this even exists. Hold on. False equals empty. Yeah, there we go. Because yeah, that could equal nothing. All right. Let's check this out locally real quick and see if it works. I don't remember if I have this set up correctly already, but let's go to virus. And now let's look for the map cutscene or remove after cutscene. File on meetup. Okay. Do I have this set? Yes. Do I have the cutscene set? Wait. No, I'm confused. Oh, there is no connection. I just need to get the cutscene that's connected to this. Hold on. Post type. I need to get... I have the cutscene name. I need to get the cutscene object and get what area it's connected to. And then I need to query the object. And then query the area. And then check. And then do this logic. Oh, fuck. Yeah, this is too much. I need to do this better. Yeah, it's just too much. Okay, then maybe I need to use the cutscene name and not the area name when I'm setting that window variable. That's the only way to do this. Because this is, yeah, ridiculous amounts of double, triple queries for no reason. All right, let's go back here. So where I'm doing the this window previous cutscene. So where I'm setting this, I need to set this with the cutscene name and not the area name. So instead of position, I need to do not the cutscene name. No, I need the cutscene name. Yeah. Where's the cutscene name? How do I get the cutscene name here? Because right now it's using the area, so it's kind of doing a workaround. If it's a cutscene area, there's only going to be one cutscene. So I should technically be able to do this. Technically, should be able to do this. Okay. Should be able to do this technically. Let's see if this works locally. I'm gonna bypass and just go straight to Bylon. In fact, let's just put God mode on. I don't have time to wait for this shit. I now can go through anything. I still interact with things. No touches, not interacting with things. But this way I can just, you know, jump through walls and hit all the triggers.
So, Dr. Negrescu, I want to know everything
So
about this
now
place.
window
I'll have no issues
previous
retaining every
cutscene
word,
area.
so feel free to unload on me.
Why is it
Well,
Bylon?
first thing first, you can call me Ioana. I'll be your mentor.
What's the
of
fucking
sorts.
map
So
cutscene?
for efficiency, let's use first names, okay?
Oh, I I forgot.
Oh, good. I'm Grain.
It's not using the
Wonderful.
actual...
It's nice to meet you formally.
Wait,
Graeme.
what?
Now, let's see where to start.
I'm so confused. Hold on.
Welcome to the Terrace facility. Helpful to know is that P3 stands for the Preeminent Prospective Project. Mer Salverson likes to say these are the most advanced projects the world has ever known. There are currently 15
Why am I
now
doing that?
16 projects in active development. Inchite surprised that Mer Salverson decided to add a new P3. It's been 65
So,
years
if it's a
since
map
project was
cutscene
added
area,
at Terrace.
Wow, 65 years.
He was brought in
I'm
as
like
the
changing the
successor of
cutscene into the
biomechanical
area?
advancements a few years ago. My P3 was brought to us in 1944 by Professor Hubert Redulski in Poland to avoid its use by the Nazi regime. In the third successor to date.
A 70-year-long
Oh.
project.
false.
All P3s are long-haul projects. In fact, no P3 has yet to complete their research.
What the fuck?
There is always one
Here's
successor at
cutscene
a
area.
given time attributed to one of the 15 or 16 nope trace. When a project is
Okay, so where's
brought
cutscene
here, it is
name?
assigned
Oh,
a
here we go.
successor to carry out its development. The hope is that a string of successors
See,
will
it's using
continue
the area
research until
name.
it's finished. Even more, Salverson is a successor to a long line of directors
Okay,
going back
so I
to
just
the
need to
first
not do
P3.
that. I don't know
So,
why I
Graeme,
am doing
even
that.
though he was charged with onboarding you, he wasn't given much information regarding the origin or even the subject
So let's
of
not
your
do this
research.
at all.
Must be something that Mer Salverson didn't feel like explaining himself. If you don't mind me prying a bit, could you explain your P3? Oh, hey,
Let's
Jimmy.
try this.
John, what are
Alright, we're gonna try this again. Now the cutscene should have the right name. So if the cutscene has the right name, then it should be able to persist or utilize the remove after cutscene logic in the other area. Alright. Oh, look at that. Now it's not triggering the cutscene. Well, it worked. But now it's not engaging the cutscene. Alright, now I gotta fix that too. So where is, here you go, cutscene area. See, it's using the position. It's not using the cutscene name. So now we need this. Alright. This should do it. And I gotta do it for the other one too. Actually, let's just copy this whole thing. Yeah. Sure. Joe. Wait. What did I do? This. Oh. I just gotta change this. Perfect. Alright, now it should work. We got this.
So, Dr. Negrescu, I want to know everything about this place. I'll have no issues retaining
Wait,
every
what
word.
the fuck? Okay. That was weird. It triggered the wrong, like it triggered a cutscene from a different area. That was, I'm just gonna ignore that and assume that wasn't real. Everybody ignore what just happened. So now the cutscene should work now. It should trigger when I go to the restaurant. Nope. Fucking cool, dude. Well, that doesn't matter. So is current location doesn't matter. I'm getting the only cutscene class name, clean class name. Maybe it's because I'm saying it's an area cutscene and it's expecting the area. So maybe I should just let it be the location for the rest of it. No, because I changed the cutscene name. So what do I do here for cutscene area? I do... So if this is true... Yeah, see, I don't think... Yeah, it should be correct. Now that I changed the name, it should be correct. Right? Well, I guess we should check what this is now. Should be correct.
So, Dr. Negrescu, I want to know every...
Okay, now it kind of works.
So, Dr. Negrescu, I want to know everything about this place. I'll have no issues retaining every word, so feel free to unload on me.
Why is he using two?
Well, first thing first, you can call me Ioana. I'll be your mentor of sorts, so for efficiency, let's use first names, okay?
Oh, good. I'm Graham.
Wonderful. It's nice to meet you formally, Graham. Now, let's see where to start.
Oh, I didn't pass it the
Welcome
cutscene
to
name.
the terrace facility. Helpful to know is that P3 stands for the Preeminent Prospective Project. Mer Salverson likes to say these are the most advanced projects the world has ever known.
So, Dr. Negrescu.
So,
There we
I
go.
want to know everything about this place. I want to know everything about this place. I'll have no issues.
Why is it doing it twice?
So, Dr. Negrescu, I want to know everything about this place.
It was loading it twice. That's so weird. Why is it loading it twice now? Now that it... Cutscene name. But this is when you enter a new area, so that's good. And the other one is for when you start the game, which is separate. That's when you just refresh.
So, Dr. Negrescu, I want to know everything about this place. I want to know everything about this place. I'll have no issues retaining every word. So, Dr. Negrescu, I want to know everything about this place.
So when I load, it only does it
I'll
once.
have no issues retaining every word, so feel free to...
It doesn't work when I enter an area.
So, Dr. Negrescu, I want to know everything about this place.
What the fuck? Man. Shit. Alright. Why you do this? So here's... Is it because it's not a position name anymore or something? Now it's like loading it twice. Where do I engage cutscenes here? So blah 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 blah. I load. Oh no, that's the wrong one. Enter new area. Here we go. Why am I engaging it twice? Yeah, fade out. Blah, 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 blah. Remove. Load the new shit. So it's loading. It goes through here. Now we're loading the new default map. Is cutscene? Yes, it doesn't matter. Settings menus. Yes. Move NPCs. Load shit. Engage cutscene if it's a cutscene area. But is it engaging cutscene anywhere else? No. It's only doing it once. I wonder if maybe it's getting called twice by accident, even though I have this set up now. I don't know. I don't know. Hope not. It's definitely getting hit twice, though. So if it's true, where do I have the call? Check. Call is false. Am I even using that? Oh, right here. So this should avoid it getting hit twice. Yeah, and I'm just clicking the button, so that only calls it once. So why the fuck is this running twice? Is there something wrong with the level select? Like if I don't have this, does it still run somehow?
So, Dr. Negrescu, I want to know everything about this place. I'll have no issues retaining every word, so feel free to unload on me.
It is loading.
Well, first thing first.
But it's not.
Il
It's
bello
loading
inventor of sorts,
somewhere.
So for efficiency, let's use first names, okay.
Oh, good. I'm Graham.
Wonderful. It's nice to meet you formally, Graham. Now, let's see where to start. Welcome to the terrace facility.
Where?
Helpful to know is that P3 stands for the
How is it
Permanent
running?
Prospective Project.
It's
Mer
not even
Salverson
running
likes
anywhere.
to say these are the most advanced projects the world has ever known.
Like
There
this
are
is the
currently
cutscene.
15 well, I suppose now 16 projects in active development. I'm quite surprised that Mer Salverson decided to add a new P3. It's been 65 years since a project was added at Terrace.
Wow, 65 years.
He was brought in as
Where
the
is it
successor of
running?
biomechanical
Am I
enhancement a few
tripping
years
balls
ago.
here?
My P3 was brought to us in 1944 by Professor Hubert Redulski in Poland to avoid its use by the Nazi
There's
regime.
nothing to run.
I'm the third successor to Date.
A
But look,
70-year
it's
long
running.
project.
All P3 are long-haul projects. In fact, no P3 has yet to complete their research. There is always one
There is no
successor
more
at a
cutscene.
given time attributed to one of the 15 or 16 nope trace. When a project is brought here, it is assigned a successor to carry out its development. The hope is that a string of successors will continue the research until it's finished. Even more, Salverson is a successor to a long line of
It's like it's
directors going
running.
back to the first P3. So, Graham,
I don't know.
you was charged with onboarding you.
I'm so
You was given
confused.
much
Like there's no
information
way to
regarding
trigger
the
a
origin or
cutscene.
even the subject of your research. Must be something that Mer Salverson didn't feel like explaining himself. If you don't mind me prying a bit, could you explain
Let me
your
try
P3?
this.
Oh, hey, Ginny. John, what are you two doing here?
Like, this has to stop it, obviously. Okay. So it is triggering engage cutscene somehow with an agnostic cutscene. Because it sure as hell isn't coming from what I thought it would be, which is this. It's coming from... maybe the cutscene trigger is triggering it? Maybe. Is there a cutscene trigger? No, because I was looking for a cutscene. I didn't see any triggers. What the fuck?
So, Dr. Negrescu, I want to know everything about this place. I'll have no issues retaining every word, so feel free to unload on me.
That's path trigger.
Well, first thing first, you can call me Ioana. I'll be your mentor of sorts, so for efficiency,
Yeah, see, there's triggers. It's not even cutscene triggers.
Oh, good.
Where is it?
Graham.
Wonderful. It's nice to meet you formally, Graham. Now, let's see where to start. Welcome to the Terrace facility. Helpful to know is that P3 stands for the Preeminent Prospective Project. Mer Salverson likes to say these are the most advanced projects the world has ever known.
So if I go to the
There are currently
cutscene,
15 well, I
meet up.
suppose now 16 projects in active development. Im kite
Oh
surprising
wait,
that Mer
this is not local.
Salverson decided to add a new P3. It's been 65
Well, let me just see
years
real
since
quick.
a project was added at Terrace.
So I don't set the trigger
Wow,
here. Did I
65
set it
years.
locally?
He was brought in as the
Just trying to make sure this isn't going to break when I go push it up. So this doesn't have any path triggers set. I have NPC face me to know, but I don't have any triggers set. So maybe we need to set the trigger? I don't know. I don't want to fuck around with this much longer though.
So, Dr. Negrescu, I want to know everything about this place. I'll have no issues retaining every word,
I really don't know why it's doing this.
Well, first thing first, you can call me Ioana. I'll be your mentor of sorts, so for efficiency.
It was only the
let's use
first line
words.
that
Okay.
went twice actually.
Oh, good. I'm Graham.
Wonderful. It's nice to meet you formally, Graham.
Is it just the?
Now,
Is it
let's
just
see
me?
where
Is it
to
just
start.
my line? Did I double up on it by accident?
Welcome to the Terrace facility. Helpful to know is that P3 stands for the Preeminent
No.
Prospective Project.
Oh, it's
Mer
production.
Salverson likes to say these are the most advanced projects
You know
the
what?
world has ever
Forget
known.
it.
There are currently
I give up.
15 well, I suppose
I'm just gonna
now
push this
16
up.
projects in active development.
So now it should work
Surprised that
with the
Mer
cutscene
Salverson
name.
decided to add a new P3. It's been
And if I
65
look at
years since a
the
project was added at Terrace.
console log now,
Wow, 65
file on meetup.
years.
So it should get rid of her now
He
on
was
the other
brought in
side.
as the successor of biomechanical enhancements a few years ago. My P3 was brought to us in
Cool.
1944 by Professor Hubert Redulski
Done.
and to avoid its use by the Nazi regime.
Alright, everybody. Happy goddamn Labor Day on Monday. I appreciate y'all hanging out with me. And, hey, you know, Felipe said hi from Brazil. That's pretty sweet. Everybody else is pretty quiet today, but that's alright. Sometimes you just have to lurk and see what's going on. So, if you want to see the progress of this game, and more importantly, the WordPress game engine I'm developing for it, make sure you're subscribed, follow. That way you can come see me when I stream the rest of the week. And with that, I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye. Goodbye.